Hello, I just wanted to go over again handling hair getting stuck in chains. So I showed you guys, we went and we got this tubing, and I just snip off a piece. You can get technical and have it be straight and all of that. But see, our box chain goes in real easily, right? No problem there, be able to do it. But I couldn't get in our infinity ribbon. So somebody was really nice and said, see if you look at this, it will take me forever. I got this in, but I had to use a paper clip. So what somebody suggested was that I take tubing and I slice it. So I went and I got this tool from my husband, and I don't recommend this. It's just too dangerous. So I took these little nothing scissors, and I just went it like this. And you could probably have that be nicer, but that's what I did. And then I just snapped it around the chain. See? So I went and I just put the chain, how did I do it? I just opened it up. And then you get the chain in there and you can pull the clasp along. You can clasp it. And then, I don't like to rehearse these things because I want you to see that I'm doing it for the first time, which is probably very obvious. So there, it's in there. So it works. And that was somebody's suggestion, so I thought I would pass that along. Okay, thanks.